You therefore must endure. Do we have any endurers in the house this morning who's able to endure some hardship? You went through some 16 and some 17. Some people can even back it up to 14 and 15. Some can go back as far as 12. I remember back in 2012, baby, when my bursitis started acting up. I remember my blood pressure went up and I lost my house and the people at my job was going crazy. Some people can back it up. You're going to have some hardship. Just keep on living. But if you're like a good soldier, can you stand under pressure? Can you keep your eyes on path when the pressure comes? How many of you can walk when there is no path? All you heard was I remember watching and hearing and reading about the Underground Railroad, and all they had some time was just to see marks on trees, but there was no path. They had to be led by the Spirit of God.
If you would like a copy of this message or even browse any of our other catalog of messages, feel free to log on to rccraleigh.org right now and download your MP4 or MP3 today.